Hello and welcome to ever popular Karana Downs. I have an opportunity here that can offer you and your family a new lifestyle with endless possibilities. Let's talk about location. I have literally just walked from the home down to this awesome parkland, boat ramp and river. Imagine the weekends with your family jet skiing and boating. Absolutely amazing. The home itself, yes, it needs some loving, but with a bit of TLC, I think you're going to see an absolutely stunning property that has 3 bedrooms, all built in, formal lounge, formal dining, a gigantic rumpus that could be a 4th bedroom, out the back, big outdoor area and a stunning in-ground pool. The block itself is also large enough to accommodate a good sized shed. If you're looking for a great position on the outskirts of Brisbane, this is a must inspect for you and your family. If you like what you see, and I'm sure you will, call me, Facebook me, email me. Virtual inspections, we just love those. But basically, any way you look at your new lifestyle, you just have to look at it.